Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Kia Telluride versus Toyota Highlander. We'll dive into their core features, examining what makes each SUV a strong contender in its class. Our focus will be on performance, interior comfort, and overall value, helping you understand their distinct advantages. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of which vehicle aligns better with your lifestyle and priorities. Let's get started on this detailed comparison. When it comes to power, the Kia Telluride boasts a robust V6 engine, delivering 291 horsepower for confident acceleration. The Toyota Highlander, on the other hand, features a turbocharged four-cylinder engine with 265 horsepower, offering a different driving feel. For those prioritizing fuel economy, the Highlander also provides an efficient hybrid powertrain, achieving an impressive 36 miles per gallon in the city. Both SUVs are capable, with the Telluride able to tow up to 5,500 pounds. Inside, both the Telluride and Highlander offer spacious cabins designed for families. The Telluride provides a generous 87 cubic feet of maximum cargo space, while the Highlander is close behind with up to 84.3 cubic feet. For passengers in the very back, the Telluride offers a bit more third-row legroom, measuring 31.4 inches, which can make a difference on longer trips. Both vehicles are excellent choices for seating 7 or 8 people comfortably. Considering value, the Kia Telluride often has a more accessible starting price, making it an attractive option. Kia also stands out with its impressive 10-year or 100,000-mile limited powertrain warranty, offering long-term peace of mind. Meanwhile, the Toyota Highlander is renowned for its exceptional resale value and proven reliability over time. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize initial cost and warranty length or long-term value and a hybrid option. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some great leak-proof meal prep containers and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.